Protect your favorite memories and free up space on your computer with Picture Keeper Pro. Picture Keeper Pro is a smart device loaded with software to make backing up photos, videos, music, and files easy. And it's compatible with both Mac and PC computers. To use a Picture Keeper Pro, simply plug the drive into your computer, click Start Backup, and watch as the Pro finds and saves your files. No need to drag and drop. Picture Keeper Pro does the work for you, and there's no software or monthly fees. Plus, you can back up multiple computers with one Picture Keeper Pro. This smart technology organizes each backup separately so you can easily access your computer's backup. Once you've backed up everything, you have the ability to create custom prints, and you can safely delete content from your computer, instantly freeing up space. Picture Keeper Pro makes protecting more important data and precious memories easy. Picture Keeper, protect